Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add the chapter text animations on CapCut PC. So you're going to go to text right here and you're going to go to text templates and you are going to find the chapter template, and from here you can basically select the ones that you would like to add to your videos. So I'm just going to select this one. This one's cute. I'm just going to add this to my timeline. Select it and you can even change the text. I'm going to type in New Year Vlog 2025. You can also scale it, and I guess if you want to make it faster, you're just going to make the duration a little bit smaller. And that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.